Going on, it's a beautiful 20-degree day out here in Virginia, and I just picked up one of my smallest mods that you can do that adds the biggest horsepower. I can't wait to show it with you guys. Installing this mod is going to be fairly simple, but the hardest part is going to be if you have a crowded garage and you can't get to your tools like this. Let's look at this. I'm trying to get to that screwdriver right there. Ton of crap blocking it, and this is all Mustang stuff. So this is the car cover, that's a car cover. In my 2015, these are the old mats to it. But yeah, let me go get the tools required, and I'll get back to you guys when I reach it. Got the tools for the install, so let's get started. 2 screws, one right there, one right there. What you're gonna want to do is you're going to take these screws out. Guys, now with those 2 screws removed, you want to grab your 50 horsepower. You just want to bolt it right back in. Alright guys, to complete the install, all you're going to want to do is just open up the car. And this is a very crucial step, especially if you don't want holes in your bumper. All you're going to want to do is take the plate, and then let me get a better view for you guys. You're just going to want to wedge it. Right in there like that. And make sure it's up against the glass so it doesn't rattle as you drive. And there you have it. Your install is complete, and now you have 50 more horsepower. I honestly believe a custom license plate is a great way to add a little bit of personality to your car. But yeah, now that I got my plates finally back, we're actually going to do a video. I'm going to put his link in the bio, so just go check him out if you can and show him a little support. We're going to try to shoot a review of my 2018 Mustang, give you guys a better walk around. I know I've been slacking with some of the videos and the quality, and sometimes I did the interior shots when it was too dark, so I'm going to try to correct that for you guys and make it right. That being said, let me give you guys just a quick little teaser of the video. It is pretty much stock in here, and that is pretty much how it's going to be. I don't think there's anything to really change in the interior. What I am going to do, however, is put in a custom shift knob. And let me tell you, I had this shift knob ordered for about 4 months and it still hasn't showed up. So whenever it comes in, you guys will be the first to know. Just realized that I never got a state inspection done on my car. So I'm just going to hit the road, see if I can find a place I can do it really quick, and I'll get back with you guys. But on that note, it's always nice starting it up and seeing this view. And honestly, like, a lot of people got that 10-speed automatic. I have no regrets with this manual. I have a ton of fun every time I drive it, and I finally got the hang of driving a manual. So let's hit the road and see if I can get this thing serviced. Finished up at Ford, and now I'm gonna head on my way and meet up my friend. But before I do that, I just want to make a video on how my car is doing, and it's pretty much totaled. I mean, for all the car enthusiasts who put away their Mustangs for the winter. If you guys want to take a look, as you can see, I guess in the camera you can't really see it that well. You can definitely see it on the windshield, but it is definitely covered in salt. It is fully covered in salt, and pretty much I can't even wash it today because everything's closed. So yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna have to live with it, and just probably buy a new one since this one's definitely over to the spot where me and my friend are gonna be shooting the video. And I just want to do a quick little walk around to the car and show you guys the salt that I was just talking about. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. This is why you don't put on new wheels during the winter, but they still look sick. But right now, it's just covered in salt. You can see if you just touch it. Just makes it going on, guys. So I got my friend Kushal in the car. Hey. And I'll post his link in the description below, so you guys can go check out his channel. He got a nicely modified Civic, so hopefully you can go check that out on his channel. If you guys want to see a race between his Civic and my Mustang, just let me know. We'll make it happen. But I know you guys been asking for a ride-along video of my exhaust, so I just thought I'd go ahead and just do a quick little teaser video for you guys until I can get the final thing out to you guys. But yeah, let's just go for a drive and let's hear it. I'm in normal mode. There's many modes to the exhaust. Since this is the first Mustang of Corsa ACTIVE exhaust, there's 4 different modes you can put it in, and the standard mode that it starts off in is just normal. But let's say, for instance, you have neighbors that always complain, you can put it in quiet. But my personal preference, I mean, I hate all my neighbors, so I just start up in track. So, so I mean,
Savage
it is what it is. So
savage level Mustang.
Yep. So let me go ahead and just cut the video here, and I'll get back to you guys when we're on the highway. So we're pretty much entering the highway right now, and I'm just gonna do a quick little pull for you guys so you guys can hear what it sounds in normal, and then I'm gonna switch it over to quiet mode so you guys can hear that as well. As you guys can hear, there's not that much drone in normal mode, especially if you drop into lower gear. It just sounds like a normal Mustang. But the best thing about this exhaust is definitely when you switch it over to quiet. So let me go ahead and do that for you guys. I'm just gonna switch it over to quiet in the gauge cluster. And what that basically does is, it shuts the exhaust up. So as you guys can hear, it's pretty much not even there anymore. Like, you can't even hear it, and my foot is flooring it right now, and it pretty much just shuts up the exhaust, which is the most amazing thing about about that feature. Let me go ahead and switch it back into track mode so you guys can hear the difference between quiet and track. So I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but... Whoa, whoa.
Burn some tires now. No, we're not. Like, it will kill me.
Quick little acceleration and see if you guys can capture exhaust from the outside. Pretty much wraps up for this video. I should be putting out weekly content, so please subscribe and like my videos for future content, and I'll see you guys soon.